Well, hello guys, we are on Sector A. We're on Sector A today, guys. And I have a beautiful Neptuno Style Villa to show you just opposite the park. Now, just to show you, this is the property in question. It is a corner plot and it has access to a pedestrian gate and it has a double gate for the garage there. Okay, so I'm going to take you over and I'm sure you're going to love this house. I love the outside space in the pool area. It's absolutely fantastic. So as we go in, there are a few little steps just here up to the pool area. I'm going to take you inside the garage first. So this is the garage, guys. It's got two windows in it. It is really large. Okay. It has electric door on the garage. Bit lost for words there, haven't I? Now I've got your tank there. You have a separate door there to the side and you have an underbuilt here. This is absolutely fantastic. All these tiles are non-slip, of course. So let's go downstairs and have a look in the underbuilt. You have your tank for your oil central heating in here. So I know the house is oil central heating before I go in. I haven't been in the house yet. I'm doing the tour as we go. You have plug sockets here on the wall and you've got windows. So if you wanted to reform this bit here, you could do. It's quite a bit. There's lights here. I'm going to turn them on. So they use this bit for storage. But this could be a bedroom if you want it. It's quite large down here. So there we are. You can have a better look at it now. Nice big storage area. And you have in here what could be a bathroom. As you can see, they had put a toilet and sink down here. You put that on. Oh, this is all plumbed in already, by the looks of it. Just want to check. Yes, this is actually plumbed in. So you have got a bathroom down here, to be fair, and plenty sockets and plugs. So this could be reformed quite easily. You could have an apartment down here, guys. So this is great. So let me take you outside and we go up into the property itself. So I'm going back up here. So there is a small gate here, as you can see. And this brings us out onto this wonderful area here. You have like a little outside kitchen. You got your sink there. You got your barbecue. And this is all set up for outside dining. And of course you got that awning to shade you. Beautiful outside space. Very decorative balustrade all the way around. You got the pump just there for the pool. Got lovely gardens with established plants and trees. And this is the pool area itself. So absolutely fantastic. And all non-slip tiles all the way around. I can see over the far side there we have got ice and a slice. You got your lemon tree there. You're ready for your vodka and tonic. Beautiful gardens. Lovely established trees and plants. And of course you got your fruit trees over there with your lemons. While the staircase is here, I'll just pop upstairs before I pop into the main house and just have a look at the rooftop solarium. I see you at the top, guys. Oh wow, guys, this is quite big here. It's quite a large solarium. and it's a lovely breeze up here as well. So if it's very private, so if you wanted to sunbathe and get an all over tan, you could, and with that breeze you wouldn't get too hot either, you know. It's quite nice, and just we're not too far from the shops either. So if I just point out where those purple trees are, up that road there are all the shops and amenities. And you've got this beautiful park and the surrounding views to look at here. Absolutely stunning. Have a look. I love exploring new properties, I really do. And I love the fact that you can come along with me as well. So I've just come downstairs, and just before we go into the main house, I've noticed here there is an outside shower for the pool area there. And I'm assuming that this is going to be an outside toilet. And it is. You've got your sink and your toilet and your pedestal. So that's like 2 bathrooms already to this property, isn't it? Or half bathrooms. Well, that has a shower as well, so that would be a full bathroom, where the other one would be just the toilet and sink. So let's go inside here. Got these lovely Andalusian tiles on the marble staircase here, with this very decorative balustrade. So let's go inside. So just in here you have got your D section. It has been enclosed. You have a ceiling light and fan there, and this is a lovely area just to sit and read your newspaper, your morning newspaper, and have a coffee. Or if the curtains were back, you could watch the family in the pool. And you see just beyond there those beautiful views of the mountains. This is so idyllic, it really is. So let me take you into the main house now. So guys, as I walk into the property, you have got this large wardrobe with overhead storage. So just open that door for a minute. As you can see, we have radiators in the property. You also have aircon. You have a fire over there with very decorative. It looks to me like it's an electric fire, but it could be a gas. So you have 3 sources of heating here already, because you've got your radiators, your dual aircon above there, and of course you've got your fireplace. To keep cool, you have your aircon and your fan, and as you can see, they're in working order. So I'm just going to pan around to give you another angle of the room. Okay, so I'm going through the archway and I'm going to have a look at the bedrooms for you. So come along with me. So this is a master bedroom in here, and it looks over that beautiful pool. You have aircon and you have a modern ceiling light and fan. You've also got your radiators in here. Really nice large bedroom. Through the other archway you have your double wardrobe, and you've got a single wardrobe down this little link corridor as well. So in here you have a large ensuite. It has a shower with a shower screen that's semi-frosted, a bath. You've got the WC, the BJ, and the sink and vanity unit, and of course you've got your mirror there and all your plug sockets for every what you need. You've also got a frosted glass window, and you've got a radiator in here in the bathroom as well. And over there you've got a shaving socket, and you've also got a plug over the doorway if you wanted to put an overhead heater in. A beautiful cool breeze coming through this property. It's really lovely. It's quite refreshing. So in here you have your second bathroom in the house. So you have a semi-frosted glass shower screen again, and your shower. You have got your WC and your sink with a beautiful vanity unit. And on the wall, of course, you have got your radiator. Again, all fully tiled throughout. So I'm just going in here into the guest room. So you got his and her wardrobe in here with overhead storage. Large double wardrobes. You've got your radiators there. You could put a double bed in here, although you've got single beds. On the windows throughout the property, you have got insect screens, wreckers and blackout blinds. And of course, again, in here, you have your radiator and your aircon. So far that seems to be throughout the property. I do like the floor in here. It's like this terracotta and it's quite unusual. Okay, so we're going back through now, through the living room. And this is the dining area, right? So it's quite a large dining area with your ceiling fan going. You've got radiators in here as well. And through here is your kitchen. It's quite a large kitchen, as you can see. Wooden kitchen with that beautiful marble worktops, you know. And they're on the edging as well. So there you have your American style fridge. You've got your integrated oven and your electric hob. The splashbacks, these are like I'm sure it's a marble or granite, but it's absolutely beautiful. And you got plenty of top and base units here. Okay, your radiators behind the door, really beautiful, and you've got your double sink there as well. Okay, and that's just off the dining area. So I'm going to take you upstairs to the top box. This has all been enclosed. That way is to the pool, and you've got those beautiful lemons on that tree. This is nice and bright and airy. And we're just going upstairs. It is enclosed, so I'll see you upstairs, guys. The wrecker here, and I'm just going to go in to the bedroom up here. Just going to shut the door so it doesn't bang. Now this is great for guests, and I see they've set it up. So you have your kettle there and you've got your little fridge. Lovely porthole window. I always think that gives character to these bedrooms. So if you have guests, they can have a separate entrance. And of course, this is a great bedroom for them. They have an ensuite, and they also have an area where they can make a cup of tea or have some cornflakes in the morning without bothering you. And they also have a lovely area outside here where they can go and have their breakfast. You've got aircon, and you've got a ceiling light and fan here. Insect screens on the doors and windows. You've got storage just there. Not sure if it's open. It is. So in there you can put your suitcase or whatever you need, okay? And just up here, this is a nice area so they can have their breakfast in the morning. Lovely breeze as well. So there is a light above there, and you have a little shower, as you can see. So you've got a water point there as well. I'm going to show you the ensuite now. Both the bedroom and the bathroom have an ensuite. As you can see, this terracotta flooring comes through. You have this lovely sink set in marble. You've got your bidet, and you've got your WC and your bath with a semi-frosted shower screen, and you've got your shower, of course. Okay, now this nice little blue accent going on here. You have an overhead heater there, although you wouldn't need it because you have got radiators in the room here. All right. So really nice guest bedroom. So I'm going to take you back downstairs. And I'm going to take a little walk out here to the side of the property. Again, you've got another water point. You have these in different areas which are placed very strategically. It's a big word for me. So this is all the way around here to the outside. Okay, you have got an area where you could have storage, and you've got your boiler around there as well. Okay, so I'm coming around here. I love these Andalusian tiles, they're absolutely beautiful. And you got this water feature here. So you put water in that for the birds, so the birds don't need to drink the chlorinated water. And we're back out here on this beautiful pool area. Okay. Hello guys, so what do you think of this property? Absolutely fantastic. You got this beautiful pool behind me, and in front of me you got that outside kitchen with the barbecue, and you could entertain all your family and friends here quite easily. And that underbuild, oh my goodness, if you reformed that, what extra accommodation would you have for when the family and friends come over to see you? Absolutely fabulous, isn't it? So, and you've also got that top box upstairs. Now that's already set up, so it's got a separate entrance. So if you had the mother-in-law or the father-in-law over, or whoever you had over, they have their own ensuite, their own terrace, their own double bedroom, and they have a little fridge and a coffee set up there. So they wouldn't need to come in and bother you in the morning. How wonderful is that? So if you're interested in the property, I will leave the reference in the title of the video. So don't forget, when you email us, so the girls in the office know which property you're inquiring about, put the reference number in, and don't forget to add your contact details. So until the next time, hasta luego, take care, I'll see you guys again.